Hey there, Gearheads. Today we're going to talk about LBC injectors and their lifespan. The LBC engine is known for its reliability, but after 20 years on the market, we now know that the injectors can fail. So how long do LBC injectors last? From what we know, the injectors fail between 100 and 150,000 miles. When they fail, they can spray excess fuel into the engine, leading to costly repairs. Many gearheads choose to replace the injectors with larger and better ones to improve the engine's performance and quality. The lifespan of LBC injectors is affected by several factors. These injectors use Bosch common rail technology and work under high pressure, making them susceptible to wear and tear. Poor quality fuel and oil can also cause damage to the injectors and decrease their lifespan. Additionally, poor engine maintenance can lead to issues with the fuel injectors, such as contamination and poor lubrication. To prolong the lifespan of your LBC injectors, it's important to keep the fuel system clean and use high quality fuel and oil. Regular maintenance, including changing the filters and oil, is also crucial. Using fuel additive can also help. However, gearheads should avoid cleaning the fuel injectors as a solution for injector issues, as this will only waste time and money. If you need to replace your LBC injectors, gearheads should know it's not an easy task. The process takes around 16 hours and can cost around $2,000 and $5,000. It depends on the quality and the performance of the injectors. Many gearheads choose to replace old injectors so they know when they were installed and avoid paying labor costs in the future. If you're looking for better options than the stock injectors, gearheads should check out SAC00 injectors. They are made in collaboration with Bosch engineers and offer superior longevity and quality. And that's pretty much it for today's video. Remember to detect issues with the fuel injectors early on to avoid costly repairs. Make sure you do regular maintenance and use high quality fuel and oil, as this will help prolong the lifespan of your injectors. If you have any questions or comments, leave them in the comments section below, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel.